tamaiti. O whanoko a pero aho. O a tautala mai, pe whetalai mai Yesu, le atua. Whamaya le atua, a pero amo. O loto a lua Sarai. E te nauto e tau ia te ia, o Sarai. Ai ole a tau lona I moa o Sarah. Wa uma Sarai, a leo wa Sarah leile, e tamai au tai ali leile o Sarah. O Sarah malia, wa suia lona I moa o Sarai ia Sarah. Ai suia a peramo, ia a peramo. O I moa la ia, e ta uono, your name is so important. Fai moa e lo tamano lo tinase tulo. No, e ta rua tele no mua. O le ara na whanua I oe le tua. O mua uma na fua I tatou matua. O whanua mai ai oe, maa. Pena o I moa ia. Ua whetalai le tua ia Abraham. O loto a lua Sarai. She no longer to call Sarai. Her name is Sarah. Her name is Sarah. No longer to be Sarai. You call her Sarah. Isaiah. For my running on the wall there, Sarai. Or the Sao Tamai. Or my ladies. My princess. Or in one mata mofina. E tu litinale. I find my tua ia Abraham. Abraham, te le tue kalawina no tō rua, Sarai, ala au lone ngoa ia Sarah. Awaya, I will give her a son for you. O te foi na atu se atali mo oi, mai litina oi. Fatai, mai ia Sarah. Le te le to me tia o, le te le mai sato patu. Thank you. Io, ono wina na. E tatou stai tatou teu si stai ai. Ma tatou whaia whina ngalo le tua. Ai sa mafi le tua. O te whamanuia ia te. Te whamanuia. E whai o ia maa. E whai Sarah. Maa. Ioi. Sarah is fine, Matina Omando, to be a nation. If I know my young man go to tell you, if I know my young too. What's that one on Ritina? Young Tato see the fear to Lama Ezer, one or two or but who knows? She's going to have a son from God for Abraham. How wonderful babies. It's a mighty. O tatou le sona na, o tatou le sona e o sao ai kua whai kune lima matifuonu, lima malionu. E le o matua tele mato, e o sao ai kua matau kuie, tau tala e tatou le tae au. E taua no I moa. Your name is so important. You're special. You are so special. For people for you, I am special. Of course I am. You know, as we all know, right now, the biggest thing that's going on right now is bullying, right? And this is part of being bullied. Making fun, teasing about your names, or whatever happened, okay? But if you don't leave with anything today but one thing, regardless of how your friends, well, they cannot be your friends if they tease you, right? So regardless how kids will tease you about your name, how your name is, make sure you know, because they're not going to appreciate your name, nor they will know anything about your name. Your name is special, regardless, okay? You were named after, whether
or significant names within your family or land at that. So your name is special. Regardless of how they tease you and make fun of your name, stay strong, stay firm, know that you are special, know that your name, that is who you are. Be blessed.
Et on va faire mon vote.
ชูลูกอ่ะชูไปลูกอ่ะ